700 exercise number 21. Ready. The heat of the day had been such that even the houses seemed to be on fire. First stop. If you put out a hand to touch one of the old stones of which the houses were built, you took your hand away quickly, feeling that it had been burned. First stop. The air itself could be seen never still, but moving upwards from the streets and the houses and the distant fields. First stop. It was not usual for the little town to be so very warm. First stop. For some years past, the summer had been rather cold with poor weather, and the people kept to their warm dresses and did not trouble to spend time and money on buying light things which they might put on perhaps once only in a year. First stop. Nature, however, has her own little ways of interesting herself and us, and she loves nothing better than to do something that is not expected of her. First stop. To give us a very cold day in January and a very warm one in August is easy. First stop. There is no interest for Mother Nature in that, and she loves to play with us, giving us a warm December and a cold August. First stop. Still, if she did that every year, that too would become the expected. So this year she has given the little town where we live the warmest August on record. First stop. At first the people loved it and put up with their heavy winter dress, but after several days they began to feel a little weak. First stop. It is lovely, they said, but of course we are not used to it. First stop. Less and less coverings were placed on the beds at night, and the few stores in the little town soon sold all their summer dresses and wired to the wholesalers for more. First stop. The men continued, of course, to put on each day their heavy things, for it is difficult for a man to change his ways. First stop. Nearly all the men were employed in the great new works that had been built just outside the town shortly after the war. First stop. From the high ground about 2 miles beyond the town, you could see the sea to the south, but the downs were between the town and the sea, and no suggestion of sea air reached the people as they went to and from their labor. First stop. The air was heavy, and the people seemed to feel